need to send money using the FNB app, whether you're transferring to another account, a different bank, or sending an e-wallet payment, I'll show you exactly how to transfer money on the FNB app. So first, make sure you have the FNB mobile app installed. If you haven't logged in before, you'll need to enter your username and password or use biometric login. If you're sending money to another FNB account, go ahead and tap on the transfers from the home screen, select the account you want to send money from, enter the recipient's FNB account number, type in the amount you want to transfer, add a reference, and tap on the next to confirm the details. Authorize the transfer using OTP or biometric authentication. If you need to transfer money to a different bank account in South Africa, go ahead and click on the payments instead of transfers, tap on the recipient or tap on add recipient and choose another bank account, enter the recipient's bank name, account number, and account type, enter the amount you want to transfer, choose whether you want normal EFT or immediate payment, and confirm the details and authorize the transaction. That is how you can basically use the FNB app to transfer money. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.